Going inside a Japanese supermarket. So cheap. One thing I love about Japan, the yolks are super orange, just like this color. Oh, eggs are so cheap. Only $1.40. Huh? I should get two. Happy Cindy? Whoa. All this prepackaged food. You'll never starve in this country. All packaged so well too. All the sashimi is so cheap too. It's pretty good. Huh? Only 38 cents? Oh, so cheap. So Cindy, what do you like about coming to the market? Nope. I'll interview myself. So one thing I like about coming to the markets here in Japan is, honestly, when you're traveling, one of the biggest joys is just going to the market, because you kind of see how other people live their lives, and it's obviously you just need to pick up groceries. And one of the biggest benefits of living in an Airbnb when you're living abroad is having the joy of cooking food at home. So me and Cindy, one of our favorite joys is to pick up groceries. Yuzu-koshu?
Wait, is this the one at home?
Is this?
You tried this one before.
Yuzu-koshu, this stuff's amazing. It's like this spicy, salty.
We tried this one before, I think.
I think we tried. Oh yeah, they sell this one on Amazon too.
This one on Amazon, yeah.
Great thing with yuzu-koshu, makes all your food taste amazing. It's like this spicy citrus thing, which is fermented with some sort of salt. We put in our food and it magically makes everything taste phenomenal. Oh yeah, so going back to the point, the thing I like about going to the supermarket is it's a simple joy that you could appreciate everywhere in the world. And usually when you're traveling, one of the things we like to do most, especially if we're staying in Airbnb, is cooking at home, because even though you go to restaurants and all these fancy places, it kind of gets a little bit overrated after a while, and I think it's more of a fun challenge to be able to cook food by yourself at home and look at all the fun deals. And even when you go to a different culture, you see all the different sales they have, and it's so exciting. And even me and Cindy, we like to get things on sale. So even like looking at all the things here, everything's on sale, so everything is so cheap and affordable. And I think we actually get more of a joy from getting nice discounts on foods. And for me, food's a lot more fun about the value, like 50% off and stuff. The kids. Oh, and also when we're in Japan, even be able to get 100% hot cocoa. If we don't have a meal during the day, we could just have hot cocoa instead. And there's like bajillion types of instant coffee we get here and spices. So yeah, so one thing I'd recommend is if you're traveling abroad, don't feel like you just need to go to fancy expensive restaurants. Go to local grocery stores, and also whenever possible, stopping by living in Airbnb so you can just cook at home. It just makes the whole experience a lot more memorable. And yeah, the markets here are just so exciting. So much funness happening. And of course, Japan has all the best snacks too. All this pocky. Excuse me? That is amazing. All the tofu. Oh, all the meats. Trying to figure out what's the cheapest. It's pretty good. So it's about 128 yen per 100 grams. So about $4.40 for something like this. Oh, so this is a pretty good value. You can see there's a lot of fat in here. It's only about 100 yen for 100 grams. So it's only about $2 for all this meat, which is pretty good. Oh, this cut of meat looks way better. Like a nice pork belly. Nice looking fish. Oh, so way cheaper to come to the market and buy sashimi instead. So all the sashimi, only about like $4.50. Might get one of these. Ooh, if you just want salmon, my favorite, only $3.50 for all that. That's pretty, it looks pretty good. Instead of just going to some fancy, expensive restaurant. Ooh, all the green teas. Is anything good? So this is one weird thing in Japan. Food is not even food anymore. It's just calorie balanced blocks of food. Why even need food when you could just have blocks of food? Kind of reminds of Soylent. Or this weird stuff here. You don't even have to eat food anymore. You can just drink this kind of grass jelly, almost like a protein shake or something. And of course, Spam. Alright, thanks for watching our random video. So we're gonna pick up some more food, get some fresh meat, and do some nice cooking at home. Okie dokie, time for us to see the spoils of all the delicious foods we got. For how much you spend? 19 bucks? 19 bucks.
Oh, you want me to display it?
Yep.
Okay.
Okay.
Where's my other rice ball? 2 rice balls.
Okay, we got 2 rice balls.
Then use secret
Salmon.
from the discount aisle. That's
Super. This is only 65 cents. Look.
2 packs of eggs.
2 packs of eggs.
Wait, I have 2 packs of those mushrooms. 2 packs of these sprouts.
2 packs of these mushrooms.
I won't put
Wow.
this
2 of these sprouts.
roasted duck.
Ooh, well, there's a
And
lot
beef
of roasted ducks
beef
for
belly
only
and pork belly.
$2.45. And
I won't put this on the floor though, Eric,
Okay.
because we eat sweet.
okay. And 2 packets of pork belly.
Putting it to our tiny fridge. I feel like this was made for it.
Yeah.